A fellowship with ISMP affords you the opportunity to learn from dedicated leaders in medication safety, providing you with the skills that you need to make positive impacts in patient care in any setting. One of the most valuable fundamental principles in medication safety that you'll learn and adopt during this fellowship is the rank order of error reduction strategies, which emphasizes the need for us to focus on systematic improvements. ISMP Fellows contribute to crucial work that supports a safety culture across multiple professions and continents.
No one day is typical, and that is what I love about this fellowship. Each day I get to learn new ideas and embrace diverse challenges it brings with it. We all have projects we're working on, meetings we're attending, and phone calls we're answering. But this fellowship goes beyond that. As a fellow, I get to review all medication errors that come through ISMP, and I get to be part of that discourse and give my opinions. Additionally, if there is something I connect to strongly, I get to write about it and increase awareness at global level to help prevent similar medication errors.
One of the projects that I did here at ISMP was I wrote an article about allergies, and that was published in Patient Safety Advisory for Pennsylvania. This project was very interesting to do because I got to take an article all the way from data analysis to writing it to filing it with a review board and seeing it all the way through to publication.
So one of the really cool things about being a fellow at ISMP is that you get exposed to a lot of new technology that's just coming to market or is just being tested out. So you gain exposure to how this technology works and are able to, when you get out into the field, ask better questions when an error occurs if you know how the technology can be incorporated into your system.
ISMP offers multiple different types of fellowships. The one I chose was the FDA ISMP Fellowship, where it's 6 months at the FDA and 6 months at ISMP. The reason I chose it is because I have a master's in drug regulatory affairs, but I was also an ED clinical pharmacist, so I felt like it kind of bridged both of my worlds. And it actually allowed me to grow both professionally in terms of medication safety and in terms of regulatory affairs.
Being an international fellow here at ISMP, I have had the opportunity to travel to numerous places. I've been to Scotland, Switzerland, I've been to London, I've been to China, Portugal for various meetings. Here nationally, I have been to other states too for pharmaceutical meetings like the mid-year. I've also been to a lot of company visits in New Jersey, New York. I also take part in some meetings that we hold in Maryland at USP and FDA.